so here I am in the car, just getting ready to fire it up. And I turn the key. Oh, blower motor's working right now. Clock doesn't work. The tach's kind of doing its own thing. Gas gauge is all in its own little land. Slippy belties. Well, the voltmeter works right. That's for sure. Or in theory, anyway. Hey, it's not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. We got left turn. We got right turn. Let's go check the back.
I'm gonna check out your back.
Ooh, Poppy. Okay, ready? Left turn.
Good. Other side.
Right turn.
Good.
All right.
Brakes.
Brakes.
Good.
Ooh.
Reverse.
Hold on. That would be booster. Okay, reverse.
Nice. Reverse works good.
Wow.
You want to turn the headlights on?
Yeah, let's do headlights real fast.
Yeah, headlights, parking brakes.
That's headlights. No headlights? At all? I got that. I'd love to. Nothing? And this parking brake lever is stuck. It doesn't seem like the parking brake is on. So we have no headlights. Great. Okay, add it to the list. I am in reverse. Yeah, the parking brake obviously is not connected. Yeah, out we go. All right, just moving the car. And the power steering's a little chonky.